In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an account on YouTube. Now be sure that you watch to the very end so that you do not make any mistake. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now sign in to YouTube using your Gmail account, and then you will see that icon on the top right corner. Click on it. Then on the first option you can see create a channel. Now click on it. Now you can name your channel the name that you wish. You can give it any name. Now I will name it test channel. And then you can also name it, you can also give it a handle name. Then click create channel. Then you will see this thing highlighted in red. Don't worry about it, just click refresh, and then your channel will be created. Guys, that's how to create account on YouTube. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.